Tsunami, one of the most powerful forces of nature, causes some time of mass destruction. According to the US Geological Survey, a total of 227,898 people died in the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. Indonesia was the worst affected area, with almost death toll estimated at around 170,000. The word tsunami is taken from a Japanese word meaning harbor wave. It is a series of waves in a water body caused by the displacement of a large volume of water. Earthquake, volcanic eruptions, and other underwater explosions above or below water have the potential to generate a tsunami. Tectonic earthquakes occur beneath the sea mainly due to the thrust fault associated with convergent or destructive plate boundaries. Due to the movement of plates, the water above the deformed area is displaced from its equilibrium position. Tsunamis have a small wave height at offshore and a very long wavelength. They grow in height when they reach shallower water. They cause damage by two mechanisms: the smashing force of wall of water traveling a high speed and the destructive power of a large volume of water draining off the land and carrying a large amount of debris with it. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was among the deadliest natural disasters in human history, with at least 230,000 people killed or missing in 14 countries. On 26 December 2004, a major earthquake with a magnitude 9.1 to 9.3 struck with an epicenter of the west of northern Sumatra, Indonesia. Indian Plate is a part of the Indo-Australian Plate lying Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. It is moving northeast at an average of 60 mm per annum. The Indian Plate meets the Burma Plate at the Sanda Trench. At this point, Indian Plate subducts beneath the Burma Plates. Indian Plate sinks deeper and deeper beneath the Burma Plate. Thus, the increase in temperature and pressure drive volatiles out of the subducting plate. Those volatiles rise into the overlying plate, causing partial melting. The rising magma intrudes into the crust above and exits the Earth's crust through the volcanoes in the form of a volcanic arc. The volcanic activity that results as the Indo-Australian Plate subducts the Eurasian Plate has created Sanda arc. The hypocenter of the main earthquake was approximately 160 km off the western coast of northern Sumatra in the Indian Ocean, just north of Simulan Island at a depth of 30 km. An estimated 1,600 km of fault surface slipped about 15 meters along the subduction zone where Indian Plate slides under the overriding Burma Plate. The slip did not happen instantaneously but took place in two phases over several minutes. The energy released on the Earth's surface by 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake was estimated at 1.1 into 1017 joule. The energy is equivalent to over 1,500 times that of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Within 15 minutes of the earthquake, waves began striking the coast of northern Sumatra and Nicobar Island. Waves up to 30 meters were recorded in this tsunami. Around 2 hours later, the earthquake struck wave reached Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. The worst affected countries were India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Maldives, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Somalia. Financial losses in the Maldives represented approximately 45% of its gross domestic product. According to the US Geological Survey, a total of 227,898 people died. Measured in life lost, this is one of the 10 worst earthquakes recorded in history, as well as the single worst tsunami in history.